Introducing the Winca S500 Blu-Ray screen. A next-level driving experience, a quad-core 8.0 with 2 HC dual-core, powerhouse, GPS and Glonass 2-module navigation, and a Blu-ray 9-inch and 10-inch AR Deep Touch SuperHD screen. With options ranging from DDR4 Ram Support with 4+32 and 6+128, this multimedia marvel is a performance powerhouse. Stay effortlessly connected with Wireless CarPlay, Bluetooth CQ131 Module, supports SD card 3U up to 64 bytes and 4G 5G dual-frequency Wi-Fi. Access your favorite apps with a touch panel screen control button, all displayed with crisp visuals. Capture the road's every angle with AHD rear and front camera with 360-degree camera support and SHD 4K video interface output. It's about making your driving experience delightful. The gyroscope keeps an eye on real-time driving online, offline both, while the user-friendly UX design adapts to your needs. Navigate with ease using adaptive split-screen functionality. Upgrade your in-car entertainment and enjoy innovation seamlessly combined with convenience. The Winca S500 is not just a car Android system, it's your travel companion on the road to multimedia bliss.